War.gov just unsealed the files. Release 02 dropping May 22. The sky's getting loud. Redacted pages turning white, War.gov lighting up the night. UAP formations over Iran, Syria burning bright. Military footage crystal clear, no more swamp gas lies. Sandy, a base 48, Apollo 12 tapes in the archives. 22,000 counting down, CIA, NASA dropping bombs, public hit 1 billion views, whole world logging on. The dam is breaking, data flooding every screen. What we thought was fiction turning realer than your dreams. Oh, the world is changing, skies are rearranging, disclosure train is rolling, nothing's staying the same. From pulpits to the Pentagon, everybody feel the shift. Craft in the heavens, now the veil about to lift. Cash train leaving the station, better get your ticket quick, cause the truth just dropped in the old guard. Having a fit. Neil deGrasse Tyson on the timeline, sudden UFO expert. Yesterday called us delusional, now we surf the wave perfect. Sagan did the same, waved the whole field away as non-science, while they sat in the rooms with the data behind closed doors, quiet, laughing at the experiences, calling them crazy for decades. Now the footage hit public and they rebranding as the saviors. Bag secured, history rewritten in 4K, jumping on the cash train, trying to lead the parade. Pastors in DC had to meet up, closed doors, heavy prayer. Told the congregation, get ready, crafting beings in the air. Jeremy Corbell and Corbell Knapp dropping new heat every week. Night vision, thermal tic-tacs, dancing on the beat. Churches, mosques, temples buzzing, scientists redraw the line. Government scrambling, religions rewiring the divine. Economy flip, new energy tech about to break, old power shaking, humanity wide awake. What happens next? Faith collides with physics, stock markets ride the myth. World leaders scramble for the narrative, religions rewrite the script. Unity or panic, new space race or cosmic family. Either way, the lie's over, baby. We ain't alone. And the proof just went public. Oh, the world is changing, skies are rearranging, disclosure train is rolling, nothing ever be the same. From the White House to your front porch, everybody feel the shift. Craft in the heavens, now the veil about to lift. Cash train left the station, better hold on tight, cause the truth just dropped, and we own the night. War.gov, keep 'em coming. Release 03 on the way. The sky's not empty anymore.